of the fridge. People had no choice because food was getting spoiled. So they kind of fermented it. And then we had, because there was no electricity, we had a lot of fermented foods. Now in today's day and age, because we have electricity and we demand this freshness of food, that we have lost the art of fermenting foods.
Correct. No, absolutely. So beyond doubt, I always deal with 2 Fs: fiber and fermentation. For every GI patient, this is what I say. And whenever I talk to a nutritionist, I always try to get some knowledge from them by what do they eat for rich in fiber? What do they do for fermentation? So because